Hey guys, how's it going out there? My name is Ray Martinez. Today's Sunday. I thought we'd go for a quick ride out to, it's called Aurora Grande, but the city's called Aurora Grande. But we're gonna go check out the Bottle Tree Ranch up off of Route 66. I've heard it called Elmer's Bottle Ranch, something like that. What it is this gentleman, he makes art out of bottles. Basically, he welds them up, makes trees, and he just collects them and does different styles. It looked pretty interesting, and it's not a whole lot going on today, so I figured let's just shoot up there. It's kind of out there by Barstow area, up off the 15 and Highway 18. If you guys are ever out this way and want to go check it out. So with that said, let's jump on it. Check out this cool little find that I found on the way out here. How cool is that? Old caboose. Wish we could climb in that thing. How cool would that be, right? Yeah. I got the door kind of open, but yeah. Old caboose on Route 66. On the way out there, check out this the glass bottle place. This is super cool. Wow. Awesome. All right, let's keep rolling. See what else I can see on the way out there. Check this place out, guys. Look at this. Super neat. Super cool. Look at all the art around it. Super cool thing. Look at all this stuff. Looks like an old sign for food or something. Oh man. Like each one has like a different theme to it on the top, it looks like. This is super cool. Wow. Looks like he took pipe, welded it on like little stems, and connected up all these bottles. Truly awesome. This little sewing machine right here. That's super cool. Yeah, the ride-up wasn't too bad. A little cold this morning, but not too bad. I think it was only 45, so too cool. Threw up a piece of rebar right there on that. I want you guys to check this out right here. Look at that old typewriter. How cool is that? Most important part, give a little bit. Check all this out. Old cashier's machine. That's pretty cool right there. Old pumps and all that. Check this out. See, you got wood in it. That's pretty dope. That thing can pump out some heat. Wow. Super dope. Huh. That's the bomb right there. There's one other thing I wanted to check out. Oh yeah. How cool is that? Just sit there like that. That'd be cool in the backyard for sure. I mean, think about how long it took this man to do this art, to create all this. Just in case you want to wash your hands. I mean, check that out. Look at that big old saw blade up there too. It just goes and goes. Oh, this one's pretty cool right here. This reminds me of like a dredging machine. Something that you could pull a lot of material out with. I like it. This is a cool little spot just to come right out to for the morning. Nice, beautiful day. Clear out. A little chilly, but it's good. Check out this old Willys Jeep right here. That's pretty cool. Look at that. If this thing could talk, imagine what it'd tell us. One other cool factor I like. Right here. All the way from the UK. That's pretty cool right there. Perfect way to end the day after a good ride. Get some in and out. Hey you guys, a little different ending right here. So I didn't give this isn't the real ending I wanted to give for the video, but I thought I'd share it with you. So I was coming home after shooting the video up at the Glass Ranch, and when I was coming down the freeway, I noticed that traffic stopped, came to a complete stop. Now when I got up there, which was about maybe 15 seconds after the traffic stopped, I saw there was a guy down. He had downed his bike. Guy was coming onto the freeway, hit the cheese grater. Cheese grater is the guardrail. Luckily, when he hit it, he bounced off. His bike though slid, went underneath the semi-trailer, was dragged by the semi-trailer for about a quarter mile. Thank God this guy did not get sucked underneath that trailer. He was okay. He had some bad cuts, some bad bruises, but he was gonna live. He was very coherent, he was talking, he was in pain. But what I want to share with you is that when he went down, he was with buddies and there was other motorcycle riders around him. So when he went down, by the time I got there, his buddies were already there picking him up, taking care of him. Something I never thought of and that I am going to invest in is a first aid kit. All of his friends that he was with had first aid kits. I was there holding 2 first aid kits, giving the stuff to the guy as he was patching up his buddy. And what I love about the motorcycle community is the guys that weren't even in that group, they stopped to lend a hand. They were saying, hey, what do you need? We got this, we got that. It was awesome. It really was to see everybody just come together to make sure that this one guy was gonna be all right. After we all made sure he was okay, we all went down to check on the driver of the semi. And when we got there, he was a little shaken up. He was like, hey, you know, is the guy okay? Is he all right? We're like, yeah, he's fine. I didn't shoot any video of that. It just didn't seem right. That's not a good place. I wouldn't want somebody sticking a camera in my face if I just crashed my bike or filming my bike. But that's not all right. But I am sharing that he is gonna be okay, and a huge shout out to his friends. You guys were amazing on the scene. And to everybody else that showed up and gave a hand, you guys are amazing too. So that's the great part about the biker community. And with that, I'm gonna end the video, and I just wanna say, stay dirty out there.